Hello again, or if this is your first time, thank you for coming here. Today I've been thinking about inspiration for paintings and for art projects and things like that. So inspiration is the topic. I decided to spend some time this week going some places where I can capture some reference photos and some inspiration for painting and for my book projects like glue books and journals and that sort of thing, and for sketchbooks, and just so that there's like lots and lots always coming in for inspiration, so that even something like this, you can see patterns and see designs around and just go, oh, that sparks something. So I've been looking to the natural world because it's summer and everything is beautiful and in bloom and all that, and just looking for shapes and colors, especially, and color combinations, which has been really fun. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of those. Plus, I'm working on a painting, which is in its just beginning form. This is just my background. I'm going to be painting today. I think you'll enjoy how it all comes together, and even if you're doing glue books and junk journals and things like that, I think you can get some inspiration from the things that I talk about in this video. So let's get started and see where it takes us. I've come to the garden center to look at flowers and sketch them, find spaces to do that. But I thought I would take some video footage anyway, just because everything is so beautiful and in full bloom, like this rose and this lavender. My lavender at home is in full bloom too. And these lilies are spectacular. And these my grandmother used to have in her front garden. That brings back memories. Here's my neighbor's magnificent garden. He just gardens all day long. And look at the hollyhocks. They are so pretty. And this other soft pink color with the kind of yellow-green centers. So gorgeous. And then lots of these, I think they're called gaillardia, these yellow daisy-like plants. And then his daisies are in bloom as well. And then here's some more hollyhocks They're so pretty. I love hollyhocks. I really should grow some, but I don't really have a bed in the sun. That's the problem. And then there's this plant. I really don't know what it is. So if you happen to know what kind of plant that is, I asked him and he said he couldn't remember the name of it. I'm just going to take a photo because they make good subjects. I hope you enjoyed this little trip through inspiration. I love this kind of stuff, as you probably guessed, and I'm guessing that if you're following me, you do too. Now, like I said at the beginning, this is the background for what I'm going to paint today, and what I'm using is this sketch that I did, sort of a trial thing in my art journal, and I want to kind of do something similar. I didn't put the printed pages on the background. I just did background, but I love this color. And I thought, well, I'm gonna try and make it bright and flowery, and just let's see where we're going with it, okay? So I'm going to start with just white.
Well, as you can see, I changed my mind about the big flower partway through, but this is sort of the nature of doing a painting when you've got an idea, but then it doesn't turn out looking how you want. And so with acrylics, the great thing is you can just paint over it. Watercolors, different story, but with acrylics, you can just paint over it. And I love that about these.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the button below for subscribe, and when the little thing comes up, when you click the bell, click all, and then you can get the notifications when I have new videos. And I would love it if you leave a comment. Tell me what inspires you, what you got inspiration from this video, and where it's going to take you with your art or your craft. And also click the like button, because apparently that tells the algorithm something that helps me out. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you next time.